Welcome viewers, you're in Galactic Q. In the previous video, we began with the basic tutorial for vertex and material. Now, we'll continue with the material and clothing adjustments. Let's begin. To be able to manipulate the size of the clothing, you're gonna have to go to the lower left side of the screen. Once you click that, you should be able to see your entire character in green color. To zoom into the character, go to the opposite side of the screen where there's 4 arrows. One is a circle, the second one is a diagonal arrow, the third one is a cross arrows, and the fourth one is a cross arrow with curves. Go to the diagonal arrow and zoom in. This is done by moving the mouse upward. Now to adjust the area where you want to work, go to the cross arrow to move up, down, left or right. Afterwards, find the letter M, it means refine masking. Sometimes refers as material as well. Then, deselect everything until you have only the selected part of the clothes. When you have the selected clothing, you should be able to see some green dots all over the selected clothes. This happens to all other parts of the model. To select one of the green dots, go to the upper side, where there is a circle, a square, a lasso tool, a triangle and a circle with a line across it. These tools help you to select with precision with the green dots. For rotation without using the arrows, you can select the right click and move it around to your preference. Once you select one of the green dots, this will appear. To move it, use the blue arrow to move it forward and backward, the red arrow to move it right or left, and the green arrow to move it up and down. The light green is to move to anywhere you want. If you want to resize while knowing how the models is seen with the model's clothing changed, then you can select the body on the masking material. This way you'll be able to see what's happening to everything. When you adjust the clothing, it must be at the surface of the skin, in other words, above it. Sometimes you might move a green dot, thinking that you are moving a solid part of clothing, but in reality this is happening. You could be moving an empty green dot. For best results, select only one green dot, 2 is maximum, as this can make things complicated, depending on the clothes. But you must be careful when you do this, because if you select the clothes while you have the body checked, it will be a mess. Like this. That's all from this video. Remember to like and subscribe. There will be more videos like this and gaming videos in the future.